Okay, so we are on workbook page 444. This is chapter 6, lesson 2, which is about order of operations. So remember, for order of operations, we follow the order of PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, whichever comes first from left to right, and then add or subtract, whichever comes first from left to right. So we want to find the value of each expression. Number 1, 9 plus 3 minus 5. So we only have addition and subtraction, so we do whichever comes first from left to right. So in this case, that would be addition. So 9 plus 3 is 12. And then we bring down what's left, minus 5. And then we just do 12 minus 5, which is 7. Number 2. Okay, so for number 2, I see a set of parentheses, which is first in PEMDAS. So the first thing we need to do is what's inside the parentheses. 26 plus 5 is 31. Once you solve what's in the parentheses and you're down to just one number, then you no longer need the parentheses. I'm going to bring everything else down. Times 2 minus 15. So next we would do multiplication. So 31 times 2 is 62. Bring down my minus 15. And then we just do 62 minus 15 to get our answer, and that equals 47. Number 3. So there is no parentheses in number 3, so we go on to E, which is exponents. So I see that we do have an exponent, which is 5 squared. Remember that 5 squared is 5 times 5, and that equals 25. So 5 squared becomes 25. Now I'm going to bring everything else down. Plus 8 divided by 2. So next would be any multiplication or division. So we have division over here, so that would be the next step. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Bring everything else down. 25 plus, because we didn't use those. So if you had done 25 plus 8 first, that would be wrong because you have to follow order of operations. You multiply or divide before you add or subtract. So 25 plus 4 is the last step, and you get 29. Number 4. Tickets to a play cost $10 for members, $24 for non-members. Write an expression to find the total cost of 4 non-member tickets and 2 member tickets. Then find the total cost. So if we're getting 4 non-member tickets and those cost $24 each, that's 2 times 24 plus the cost for the members. So we're getting 2 member tickets and those cost $10 each. So this would be our expression. So now to follow order of operations, we want to do any multiplication or division first. So first we want to do all of our multiplication. So 4 times 24 is 96. 2 times 10 is 20. Bring everything down, which is just the addition sign. And then we just add, and we get 116 would be the total cost. And then this was our expression. So the problem asked, write an expression and find the total cost. So always make sure that you're answering all parts of the question.